Hi, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to do a very nice problem of Germany Olympiad. Find all real solutions of the system of equation. We have three equations: x cubed equal to 2y minus 1. We have the second equation, y cubed equal to z minus 1. The last equation, we have z cubed equal to 2x minus 1. Okay? Go ahead, pause this video, give the try to this problem. When you're ready, come back to see how to solve this problem. Okay, let's get into the solution now. So as you see, we have the system of three equations. We have x cubed equal to 2y minus 1. We have also y cubed equal to 2z minus 1. The third and last equation, we have z cubed equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, let's start with x equal to 1 to see what happened. Okay, so if x equal to 1 to y equal to z. Okay, let's consider the case when we have x equal to y equal to z to see what happened. So it's equivalent x cubed equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so that's mean equivalent x cubed. I'm going to bring 2x and minus 1 to the other side, so it will become 2x minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, if x equal to 1, okay, so this one, you will have 1 cubed minus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. That's mean 1 is verified this equation. 1 is one of the root of this equation. Okay, that's mean x sub 3 minus 2x plus 1 is a multiple of x minus 1. Okay, so that's mean x minus 1 divide this one. Okay, so x cubed divide x, will have x squared multiplied by x, I have x cubed, minus 1 multiplied by x squared, I will have minus x squared. I'm going to subtract this one from this one, I will have 0. I will have x squared minus 2x, okay, plus 1. So x squared divide x, I will have plus x multiplied by x, I will have x squared, x multiplied by minus 1, I will have minus x. Okay, I will subtract this one, I will have 0 here. I will have minus 2x plus x, I will have minus x plus 1. Minus x divide x, you will have minus 1. Minus 1 multiplied by x, I will have minus x. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, I will have plus 1. I will have 0. Okay, the remainder is 0. Okay, so now this is equivalent x cubed minus 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, so I'm going to solve this one to find the roots of this quadratic form equation. So I will have now f of, let's set f of x equal to x squared plus x minus 1. Let's calculate discriminants of this one. I will have b squared, which is 1 squared minus 4ac minus 1. I have 1 plus 4, which is 5. Okay, so x sub 1, x1 is equal to minus b, which is minus 1 plus square of delta, which is plus square of 5 over 2a, and x2 equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so that's mean the solution of this x. We have three solutions. We have minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. We have 1 plus square 5 over 2. We have 1. Okay, so x. So now this is the solution of this system if we have x equal to y equal to z. But I'm going to see other cases when you have x is greater than y and x is inferior, strictly inferior than y. Okay, so we have two more cases now left. So let's clean up the board and move on to the next step. Let's consider the case when you have x is strictly superior than y. Okay, so as you see here, since if x superior greater than y, superior than y, this is equivalent x cubed plus 1 over 2 is greater than y cubed plus 1 over 2. What I did here, I just raised number 3 as a power for both sides and adding number 1 on both sides and dividing number 2 on both sides. Okay, so if you go back to the original equation, x squared plus 1, as you see here, you have x cubed equal to y minus 1 equivalent y equal to x cubed plus 1 over 2. Okay, this value exactly the same that I have here, which is y. This is y. Okay, if you go back to the second equation, we have y cubed equal to z minus 1 equivalent z equal to y cubed plus 1 over 2. This is exactly z. This is exactly the value of z that I have. So this is z. Okay, what does mean? Y is strict. This one equivalent y superior, y is greater than z. Since we have x is greater than y and y greater than z, this implies x is strictly superior than z. Okay, I'm going to do likewise. In the same time, I have likewise. So we have z cubed equal to x minus 1. This is equivalent x equal to z cubed plus 1 over 2. Okay, so that's mean I'm going to, so since because we have x superior, we have x is greater than y, I'm going to replace this value here, z cubed plus 1 over 2. As you see here, we have y, as we mentioned before, we have y equal to this one. Okay, so y equal to x cubed plus 1 over 2. Okay, what I'm going to do now, we have z cubed plus 1 over 2 is greater than x cubed plus 1 over 2. I'm going to simplify number 2 on both sides, number 1 on both sides. I will have z cubed is greater than x cubed. That's mean, so this one, I will have z cubed is greater than x cubed. This implies z is superior than x. That means z superior than x. But we have this one. We have x is greater than z. We have z is greater than x. There is contradiction. There is no solution. There is no solution if x is greater than y. Okay, let's move on to the next case. Now let's consider the case when you have x is strictly inferior than y. Okay, to see what's given us. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to I'm going to do the same thing what I did. I'm going to do the same thing as I did before. So this term x cubed plus 1 over 2, which is we have already, as you see here, x cubed plus 1 over 2. Okay, what is this? This is z, this is y, as you see here. This is y cubed plus 1 over 2 is z. Okay, this one implies y is strictly inferior than z. Since we have x is inferior than y and inferior than z, this implies x is inferior than z. Okay. On the other hand, I'm going to do likewise. I'm going to do likewise as I did before. So I'm going to, since we have x is inferior than y, okay, I'm going to replace y. I'm going to replace x in terms of z, as you have here. As you have here, since we have this equation, z cubed equal to x minus 1, equivalent x equal to z cubed plus 1 over 2. Okay, as we have here x is strictly inferior than y, I'm going to replace x with its value, which is z cubed plus 1 over 2. I'm going to replace y with its value, y equal to x, this one, x cubed plus 1 over 2. I'm going to simplify all these terms. Okay, I will have z strictly inferior than x. We have x strictly inferior than z. We have z strictly inferior than x. That's mean contradiction. That's mean no solutions. No solution if x strictly inferior than y. So in both cases, x strictly superior than y and x strictly inferior than y, there is no solutions for this system. Okay, the only solution that we have, that we found before. Okay, the only solution that we have when we have x equal to y equal to z. Okay, I have done with this problem. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.